Hey guys, it's Max Van from SportbikeTracker.com, and today I'm coming to talk to you about my first test with Dunlop and Team Hammer at Robeling Road Raceway this past week. So to start off, I want to give a huge shout out to Dunlop for renting out the track for us. It was a wonderful event. We had great weather both days down there in Georgia. And then I want to give a huge shout out to Fahad Khan over at Precision Track Days, Nate over at Two Wheel Dyno Works, M4 Exhaust, Spiegler Brake Lines, SBS Brake Pads, Vortex, Driven Racing, Hot Bodies Racing, RST, Helmet House, my boy Rick over there, CD, Araya Americas. I mean, there's so many out there. I could, of course, thank you guys for years, and of course, all the SportbikeTracker.com customers that have been supporting us throughout the past 20 years, our 20th year in business. I really appreciate it. This cannot have happened without you guys. So, first test with the factory team, it was definitely something different, to get used to. I'm used to not having any teammates, used to just being, me, my dad, Jimmy, and either my uncle or my, best friend Dave out there. But yeah, it was cool to be supported, one-on-one with Chris Ulrich and being teammates with Tyler Scott and Richie Escalante. The first day went well. That was Monday. Weather was a little cold in the morning, so I went out there in the afternoon or, early or late, I guess right around the afternoon time. Spun some laps and it was cold. It was right around 40 degrees. But yeah, I was just getting used to the bike because I really haven't ridden since, New Jersey of, Moto America, and that was back in September. So it had been a while working the motorcycle muscles again. So I was just getting warmed up, and after that, the session just came along, and I was clicking off lap times that were cool. I was competitive with Tyler Scott, and that was a lot of fun, being able to race with him, and I was also racing with Brandon Posh and seeing some other fast dudes out there like Richard Cooper and Peter Hickman that are down at the 200 right now. But yeah, that went overall really well. Times were super competitive to, again, compare to the people that I was out there with, and then we enjoyed a nice dinner with the team on Monday night. Tuesday came around, and finally I got the chance, Monday I was riding Old Blue right here that my dad built, and I finally got to ride a team bike. Coming on Tuesday, my dad was wrenching on that one all day long, and it was definitely weird not riding a bike that had STG all over it, and it wasn't blue, but riding the black bike was definitely a treat. Went really fast on it. Weather was windy, but it was definitely something to get used to. Seeing Josh Heron out there ripping, setting some fast lap times, and also, of course, my teammate Richie. Riding with Richie Escalante is a treat. He's crazy. I've never seen anyone be able to control a motorcycle like him. So hopefully he'll get it done. Him and Tyler at the 200 this weekend. But yeah, from now, I guess keep chipping away. Get used to testing some new stuff on the motorcycle, some different shock links, and also some different triple clamps that Team Hammer has developed over the off season to give us a better package to be competitive in Moto America Supersport. But yeah, I'm going to be going to Little Tally in the middle of this month, so I hope to see some of you guys there. Going to test out some new parts, and let's get factory, guys. Thanks again for your support, and I'm sure I'll be back with you guys soon.